I used to black out. I would be sitting in the chair and talking to people, and I would black out. The doctors and nurses at the hospital, that's how I found, San Simeon. Jamie and Nicole, they're the best social workers. And Susan is a very good person with the activities. And everybody's been just terrific. I enjoy being here, and the people that are here are very nice. They treat them very well, and I would say, take a shot, try it, because I like it, and I assume that other people would like it too. I feel like I have a family here. The people here are very nice to me and all, and so I feel like I have a family here.